everyone, welcome to channel Bio Asmita by your ma'am Asmita ma'am, and today we're going to discuss about part 3 video lecture of HIV and AIDS. In that we're going to discuss about preventive measures of AIDS, then role of NACP and NACO in prevention of AIDS, then diagnosis and treatment of the same. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move to the parts. But before that, please go through the part 1 and part 2 video lecture where we have studied about HIV, AIDS, history, transmission, reverse transcription, structure of HIV, mechanism of HIV of action. ऐसे बहुत सारे parts part 1 and part 2 में complete हुए. Okay, I have provided the link of both the videos in the description box, so please go through it. Okay. Now let's learn what exact preventive measures we should follow to prevent HIV. The first one is avoidance of multi-partner sexual contact and unprotected coitus. Yes, this is very important because HIV is present in reproductive secretion. Okay, now next is taking proper anti-HIV treatment during pregnancy and breastfeeding will keep your baby free of HIV. Yes, this is true. It's been reported that if a HIV positive lady during her pregnancy follows anti-HIV treatment, then there is a less than 1% chance of transmission of HIV to her baby. So treatment during pregnancy and breastfeeding is must to follow to keep your baby healthy. Then third is during transfusion, blood has to be tested for HIV. Next is use of separate and disposable needles, syringe, razors, blades, blood bags and dialysis sets. Yes, everyone must follow this because AIDS has no cure. So prevention is the only best option. One should follow all precautionary measures, but उतना ही important और एक point है and that is awareness of the disease. Yes, awareness is must because most of the people are lacking over here. Last video में मैंने कुछ myths बताया आपको. For example, hugging, kissing, sharing of food, इससे AIDS spread नहीं होता है, right? But और भी बहुत सारे point है जहाँ पे हमारी society wrong behave करती है. अगर किसी पर्सन को एड्स हुआ है तो हम लोग उससे बात नहीं करते, उसकी तरफ देखते भी नहीं है, उसको ह्यूमिलेट करते रहते हैं, विच इज़ एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. जिसको एड्स हुआ है उसको पता है कि जल्दी ही डेथ होने वाली है, तो फॉलोइंग प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स वी शुड सपोर्ट देम, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट देम एंड वी शुड लव देम. बट इस सब के लिए अवेयरनेस इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड दैट्स वाई इन 1987 आर इंडिया हैव स्टार्टेड अ प्रोग्राम NACP means National AIDS Control Program, and our Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have started NACO, that is National AIDS Control Organization in 9. Let's move to the laboratory diagnosis of HIV infection. See, once you get the symptom, you should immediately get tested because अगर हम टेस्ट करते तो हमें पता चलेगा कि सच में HIV का इन्फेक्शन है या नहीं है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी कैन ट्रीट दैट पेशेंट एंड विल ट्राई टू सेव द लाइफ ऑफ दैट पेशेंट. ओके, so two tests are available, one for detection and other for confirmation. The first test is ELISA. You have to remember the full form, that is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. This is important for your MCQ. This test is used to detect infection of HIV, means detection of HIV antibody. If ELISA is positive, then for confirmation purpose another test has to be done, and the test is Western blot. It is highly specific test. It is based on detection of specific antibody to viral core protein and envelope glycoprotein. Now recall, what are these proteins? We have discussed these proteins in previous videos. See, if positive Western blot is there, it means there's a confirmation of HIV infection, while negative Western blot means ELISA was a false positive test. Understood? Now ट्रीटमेंट फॉर एड्स. यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि एड्स तो नॉन क्यूरेबल है, तो ये पॉइंट कहाँ से आया, राइट? सी, वी हैव सम मेडिसिन्स विच कैन हेल्प टू रिड्यूस वायरल लोड and can increase lifespan of HIV patient. The treatment given to HIV patient is called as ART, मतलब antiretroviral therapy. It is against HIV, means retrovirus. That's why it is named as antiretroviral therapy. 4 drugs can be prescribed to patient, and those are tenofovir, efavirenz, lamivudine and zidovudine. Especially this lamivudine and zidovudine are very important for your need. Okay, don't forget these drug stops reverse transcription. Ultimately viral load कम होगा and that's why patient का lifespan बढ़ेगा. So up to now you understood that AIDS is deadly disease. पेशेंट को बचा नहीं सकते, बट ART यूज़ करके सिर्फ लाइफ स्पैन बढ़ा सकते हैं, राइट? बट उससे अच्छा है कि हम उसका स्प्रेड ही रोकें, और उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. And to aware other people, we should talk openly about HIV. We educate people, should correct out myths and stereotypes about AIDS, right? So see guys, this is how in 3 parts we have completed HIV and AIDS. Again I will suggest you to go through all the videos. ये आपके नीट के लिए बहुत important है. And if you are finding this video worth, then do like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.